is 𝗕𝗲𝘀𝘁𝘆, the academic registrar of Beauty Point College and the manager of the Beauty Point Salon and Barber Shop. Beauty Point, we are a trainer and we majorly train hairdressing, beauty therapy, nail technology, holistic therapies, and barbering. Beauty Point College started back in 1987 after a great demand of professional skill. As you know well, there before they had not embraced this course as a professional one, but due to the demand of the professional skill, the Beauty Point started. But initially, it was a salon, and that is where the demand emerged from. So after operating for several years as a salon, we started the training. So we have been a trainer since then. And one thing that has kept us ahead is our quality of training. We have trained thousands of young people because we target the young generation, the young people. We have a qualified trainer that are well trained. Qualification for a trainer, you must have a higher diploma in either hairdressing or beauty, and you must have a teaching certificate, either from Kenya School of 𝗕𝗲𝘀𝘁 or any other qualified training in teaching. I have worked in this institution for 5 years. This is my 5th year. I have gained the experience. We also do guiding and counseling. So the teachers, the administrators, they do more than what their job description state. Because you see these students, some of them, they come from the vulnerable areas. So when they come here, they need someone to talk to. So you'll find that you also help them to heal from the past thing that they have gone through. So apart from giving them the skill, we also boost their self-esteem. If you are looking for a school, Beauty Point, to train in beauty and hairdressing, Beauty Point become the best trainer in that. For those who are deciding to join us, welcome to Beauty Point College. Don't go far. We promise to give you the best. If you have the thread, please refer them to Beauty Point College and you'll get the best.